Oh, I feel awkward. Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, as you may be able to tell, I have adult braces. And the number one question I get asked all the time is, how do you brush your teeth? How do you take care of your teeth? So today I'm going to show you exactly what I do, because I just had some snacks, I have some stuff in my teeth, and this is a good opportunity to show you how to get it out. So the first step that I like to do is to take a glass, fill it up with water, and then just swish out the big chunks of food first. Because nothing is grosser than toothbrushing around giant chunks of food. So next step is to toothbrush your teeth. So I like to use this Arm & Hammer stuff. I go between the Advanced White and Complete Care. A lot of people say a lot of things about, oh, you shouldn't use you shouldn't use whitening toothpaste if you have braces, because you'll get spots and squares. I don't know. Use what you want. If in doubt, ask your orthodontist. Now, you need to make sure you brush every angle of your braces, so I'll show you that. You gotta go up, directly on, and then from the top. Spit as necessary, and repeat. Now, in the beginning, you might want to use a soft bristled toothbrush, because your gums and teeth will hurt so bad. Any kind of pressure will really hurt. So I would recommend a soft bristled toothbrush, kind of all the time, really. Once you're done brushing your teeth, you can rinsey again. You can rinse better than that. A Waterpik for my next step. So here's my Waterpik. I got it very early on in my braces journey, because let's face it, flossing is a huge hassle, and my teeth hurt way too much to be able to get any floss in between my teeth. So the only thing I could handle was a water flosser on a gentle setting. But now I kind of just use it all the time. It feels good on my gums. It blasts extra food chunks out that you might have missed while you were brushing. And yeah, I recommend one of these. So I have this little hole place to fill up the water. Close the thingy. And then, well, to use one of these, you need to keep your mouth closed. You can't just turn it on and hope for the best, because it's gonna go everywhere. I think we all have that first experience with a Waterpik, and it's very messy. But close your lips over it and just go all around your teeth. Ugh. And spit into the sink as necessary. Oh, but we're not done yet. So these are Plackers. These have saved my life, because they're meant to be able to fit into braces, and they do work as advertised, sort of. I'll show you what I mean. So I like to go through with these Plackers. You can see they're not like normal flossers. So these are the Placker orthopiks, and these are normal Plackers. And you can sort of see that on the orthopik ones, this end is a lot smaller. So you can get up behind your wire. So I do all my molars with one of these. Now, some limitations, I can't get it into my front teeth. You might be able to, but I don't know. I just don't have the space there. So next, we're still not done. So I couldn't get between my front 4 teeth. So that means I still need to floss. I have all these floss threaders. You can get packs of them. They're very cheap. So get you a floss threader. Depending how tight together your teeth are, some flosses might work better for you, but I use this Oral-B Glide floss. So I just get some floss. Thread your floss. And then you, just kind of thread it between the teeth that you haven't flossed yet. So for me, that's the front 4. So you just kind of thread it through, floss, and repeat forever. This took me a really long time to get quick at, but I promise you'll get there. It gets better. Alright, so all the teeth are flossed. You'll be glad to know there's just one more step that I do. I have this that I use all the time, the Listerine Total Care. And you can get the no alcohol kind, but I kind of like the burn. That's what I do to brush my teeth. I will usually only go through this entire thing just at night. During the day, I will brush my teeth and Waterpik my teeth after everything I eat, and maybe some mouthwash if I have some on hand. But I would say always brush your teeth after you eat something, because you never know what kind of chunks will be hidden in your teeth. And yeah, that's what I do to take care of my braces. Let me know if you have any more questions about it, and I will be happy to answer them.